Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today I am going to review one of the most requested attar oil, or you can say oud oil from Ajmal. That is this one. I have the sample Ajmal Dahn Al Oud Amiri. So this is the sample I have actually. Let's see if it can focus this. So this is the sample I have. You can see over here. So it is basically a Hindi oud oil or Indian oud oil, and it has same nuances, or you can say similar touches to that Hindi oud oil. So I am going to describe the scent as simple as I can. So let's try to sniff it. I think I bought 1 ml from a friend. Okay, so the initial sniff is very woody, very wet, a little bit of funk or skank that is mostly in Hindi oud oils, but very little. It is not skanky or very, you can say, animalic kind of oud oils. So let's try to apply it over here. Wet, a bit dense, resinous, woody, sweet. It also reminds me of tamarind. Again, I would say that because some of the oils, Hindi oud oils, there is one more if I remember, I have reviewed that also smells like tamarind or berries, maybe dipped into woody, resinous kind of material. Very beautiful, very well balanced oud oil. Very light animalic. It is not dry in nature, it is wet in nature. I think mostly women are not going to like it because it has some animalic or you can say pure Hindi oud oil touches that is you can say present in Hindi oud oil, that is you can say the features of Hindi oud oils. So it has that same feature. Very light fruity, dense, resinous, light fruity, woody, maybe tamarind kind of touch in there. Now the animalic part or the funk is almost gone after applying a few seconds. Yes, okay. So if I describe this Amiri oud oil, it is very elegant kind of Hindi oud oil that has some of the funk touches, or you can say some of the animalic notes of Hindi oud oils, maybe like 5 to 10% or 20% max in the start, and then they try to fade away, and it has a rounded, wet, thick kind of resinous touch with some sweetness, fruitiness, very little fruitiness, maybe 15-20%. And reminds me of tamarind, which we call imli in our language. The imli, if we eat the imli raw, if you try to use that and try to eat that, this is the smell that it comes from the wood or the fresh fruit. So this is my review about Ajmal Dahn Al Oud Amiri. If I would rate it from 1 to 10, and with respect to artisanal oud oils or very high grade oud oil, it stays between 6 to 7 points. So if I would give it, I would give it 7 points out of 10. It has good power, not too much, but has a good punch. And very nice, very light, fruity kind of touch to this Hindi oud oil. So I hope you have enjoyed my review of Dahn Al Oud Amiri from Ajmal. I will try to review as more oud oils as I can. Now I'm going to sign off, and we will meet with another scent in the next video. Till then, make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Take care and bye-bye.